Ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called NoDeep. NoDeep is a new ransomware that actually may damage the files that you store on the hard drives. My video is of course only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting it. My video is only for educational and demonstrational purposes. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this NoDeep ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. It then actually appends this special NoDeep extension to the file names. It also changes the desktop background and also reveals another ransom note titled as readforrecovery.txt. It basically tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then once it is successfully installed, start carefully investigating your computer. So Combo Cleaner Antivirus, by the way, is available for all popular operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android devices. So this is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, and that's why only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You need to click on this Start Scan button. After you do that, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of these ransomware or other threats. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.